Hey, what's up, sneakerheads? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news for you. Undefeated is dropping not one, but two new colorways of the Nike Air Terra Humara, and they are absolute. So, let's dive right in and talk about these kicks. Undefeated closed out 2023 with a bang, bringing back the Air Terra Humara in a whole new light. I mean, check out that modded silhouette. Armored plating at the toe cap and heel. Reflective panels on the upper. These bad boys are ready for whatever the outdoors throws at them. First up, we've got the cargo khaki, giving off those unmistakable, undefeated military vibes. Think olive greens, light tans, stoic blacks, and a pop of orange. It's like they took the essence of military garb and infused it into the sneaker game. I'm loving it! And for those who want to turn heads and make a statement, we've got the light menta colorway. Bright, vibrant, and eye-catching. It's for the bold trendsetters out there. I can already imagine these paired with a dope outfit, making you the center of attention wherever you go. Now, if you've been following the Undefeated X Nike Air Terra Humara releases, you know the first two drops were absolute must-haves. Well, guess what? Completing the quartet is a no-brainer. You don't want to miss out on these. Mark your calendars, folks. February 24th, 2024. That's the day these gems are hitting the shelves, and they're exclusively dropping at Undefeated in-store and online for 170s. Trust me, you'll want to be quick on the trigger because these are going to fly off the shelves. That's a wrap for today's video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more sneaker content, and let us know in the comments which colorway you're feeling more, cargo khaki or light menta. Until next time, stay fresh, stay fly, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace!